Yo, Kotoko fans, Yakuma say, and then heartbreaking draw. Must say Yakuma Kotoko, must say Yakuma. Oh, Machi, nka ya finishing every, Anyway, welcome to another episode of the Ghana Premier League post-match discussion or analysis. Aha, the Fabulous Zone say, I feel first time I will share such channel where you best throw. My once again, penna subscribe it. We are now pressing the notification bell so that when you release the video, you'll be the first person to get it. And then you be share Kotoko any Brekum Chelsea match I call so I will go the Golden City Park I will Brekum. I'm koyi. We are meaning I'm a say. Oh, yeah, chance yeah for okay. Yeah, go into the game. Ensure coach master tactics so you see how I boy say boy is someone go into the game no the starting level no the buy no ensure starting level no the buy no goalkeeper Felix Annan and other pool in my Christopher Netti oba be changes someone from Pong defenders no na Abdul Ghani and Habib Mohammed and ma Ibrahim Moro maintaining the position at the left back in 15 ball Kwame Adom Keyeke ena Godfrey Siama owi na ball Emmanuel Jemfi Kwame Opoku ene Osman Ibrahim we ni starting level na coach Maxwell Kunodu used to ye na chance ya na ekoyi and the 18th minute ena who else Christopher Ned Kwame Opoku or ball first goal the man Kotoko after wa she go ye game you say the be beka ho you say the be beka ho when they went to me African ka ho hold on to the 1-0 goal na mashe no ye dim man first half Kotoko 1 Brekum Chelsea 0 fine ye niaje second half ya ba ye kosa fi ye kosha last minute last kick of the game ni ama Emmanuel Clote am bo free kick the attacker no going to the game no edru baby na Keyeke wa break Keyeka brain to ma sakode eba be yi Keyeke Ephraim ena Sule Muntari niano Muniru Sule onso be yi Osman Ibrahim Sufrim goalkeeper Felix Annan so etimi nya injury bi o 90th minute her side ena yi ni frame de Kwame Baba na obe concede goal so it was very unfortunate heartbreaking draw o shego na referee no pon game no heartbreaking I get 2 points we Kotoko mamonye yesa enti e share fans no obi akuma say na say ye be call social media na yakohwe some of the commenter Kotoko fans no ebi mai ye share ko Facebook obi Asante Kotoko official page on Facebook some of the comments ni bi ne we fi William Obenho or say we better not go waste money in Africa with these performances we have displayed in our 2 games. Kotoko is rising. Our bane is technical team. We don't have creative player. Jemfi is not at his best. Why would you allow Maxwell Bako leave? Honestly, the Kotoko my performance we need by there and my say be Africa. Because Africa na nyem kola agro ye kwa ku waste this car although me I don't believe so say kwa ku waste this car because kola when do baby akwa you learn your lessons next time you see baby tutos and then you improve on it. And another the same must say get Maxwell back to the team. This is there is absolutely no creativity in midfield. You say or second William Obendi no can first no we also say we know the Omas are commenting the Eric Brown Watson. We also the Kofi no Kojo Kese or say always win or draw. We want straight win. We also say Asasi J. Maxwell Kunedu bring Maxwell in the middle and use Jemfi in wings. Wow, Obiafi Maxwell back on the messy guy. Obiafi Maxwell back on say Yem Fanem Rana and Yesadia and Yoma essay. You got Twitter, so I ensure Twitter some of the comments I fit Twitter by. We say Tio or the Tio Quartin. Very disappointing. It's unfortunate we couldn't hold on to the win until the last whistle. heads up, better luck next time. Wow, words of motivation be a the Brazilian Fabio Gama etimi ekọ park no so eye nice money no koye ono ankọhwe Ghana league no how I feeling it here and the pitch dey so hu dey ahwe na bemebu kakra ahwe na bemebu kakra ba oye dey ba Ghana dey na wa ba pitches be say dey normal Brazil kwa mu bi nya afi na mu ba ba mu so dey dey say money no koye and Habib Mohammed, so congratulations to him for winning the man of the match award no. Mama yon so na yon ko enim Charlie Post no. Make you trash. Never for myself. And Kwame Poku so mama yen man mo ra no. Guy no good. Too much is too good or good. We just say enim ho no omu bo adwuma. Ba chire ho no. Enim fo no ko pre ko sha. Na mo so ma yon adwuma yie. Why? See, ni take lead ni jama wan beti de emwa. Inti ebesrem going forward Max Okunedu. Now so ahwe how I betimi e defend goal no. And then they say we make attempt say person holding fin but minim de koye ya sa last minute goal itimi buy. So we advise the team no say we na munye serious na yon say Africa dey in my person yoko. Yeah, this performance we na intimi holding on to this still the wins. We can win. This win we couldn't hold on to the win. The game inti you know besi say na ya share the next game ebeba na the match I mean na akoma na say the Fabulous Zone the movie by Porcupines for Porcupines.